Have you ever wondered if you lived a different life? Well, if you have, just imagine for a moment that within you lies the echo of countless past experiences, lives you've lived before, paths you've walked, people you've been. If this thought stirs something deep inside, then allow your eyes to close, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, prepare yourself for a journey back in time to uncover a memory from a life long past. And as you relax, the present begins to fade, dissolving like mist in the morning sun. The sounds around you soften and blur, replaced by distant melodies and whispers of another world. And you feel yourself drifting down through layers of time, moving gently like leaves floating on a slow-moving stream. And you don't know where this journey will take you, but a calm, quiet part of you is ready to explore. Soon, you feel your feet touch solid ground. Take a moment to look around. Where are you? Are you inside or outside? What do you see? Look carefully at the surroundings, the colors, the textures, the way the light falls. Perhaps it's an ancient city, bustling with life, or a quiet village, nestled by a peaceful river. Or maybe you're in a grand palace, a temple, or a simple home. Whatever you see, let it settle in your mind, as if it is real, just like the here and now. Now take a step forward, looking down at your feet, and notice what you're wearing. Are your feet bare? Or do you wear shoes, boots, or sandals? Look at your clothing. What kind of fabric touches your skin? Feel its weight and texture. And how do you hold yourself? And you may sense a name or an identity that feels familiar, yet foreign. Let a part of you long forgotten. Now, look around again. Notice the people nearby. Do any of them seem familiar? Do they look at you with recognition? Someone may step closer. A person who feels important to you. Maybe they are a friend, a family member, a lover, or a teacher. Watch how they approach, their manner, and any words they say. What do you feel in their presence? Letting the emotions come up naturally, as though you are standing there once more. And as you continue to feel so relaxed at this time, in this moment, allow yourself to explore any events unfolding around you. Maybe you're on the cusp of a new adventure, preparing for a journey. or facing a significant challenge. Perhaps you feel a sense of duty or an overwhelming love. Whatever the scene, observe how it unfolds, as though you're not only remembering, but truly living this life once more. And as you continue to experience this, ask yourself, what wisdom does this past self hold that can help you now? What strengths, insights, or lessons can you carry forward? Take a moment to let any answers or feelings come to you. And as they do, when you're ready, imagine the scene softening, fading gently like a dream, dissolving into the morning light. And feel yourself drifting back to the present, guided by a deep, peaceful knowing. You return to the here and now, but something within you feels richer, fuller. You carry a new wisdom, an inner strength of peace of the past life within you. And as you open your eyes, feel the lightness in your heart, knowing that you are the sum of all your experiences, past and present, and you bring a unique wisdom that will guide you in your daily life, helping you face each moment with strength, grace, and a new sense of wonder. Bringing yourself back to full awareness in your own way, in your own time.